Moin, mein Name ist Stefanie Buchler, ich schreibe auf Englisch und auf Lützeburgisch und ich werde dir zwei Gedichte auf Englisch vordrohen. Viel Spaß! Scorpion. Emeralds pierce her sharp nose and lavish lips painted Bordeaux red. Amongst an army of eyes she dances, the queen of Mars, her venom ready to attack. Under the full moon enters lapis lazuli, the fair princess of Uranus, soon to be stung by the mother of seduction, leaving dark stains of her transparent skin and feeding on her bit by bit until infatuation flushes through her veins like absinthe. Breakup with 3 endings. It ended with me smashing the door, crying quietly to myself later that night, then taking a cold shower the next morning, thinking about who I'd call the next time I couldn't figure out how to convert cups into grams. And it ended with me closing the door quietly at 2 a.m., not to wake up the neighbors, smiling at myself in the bathroom mirror, wiping away the fog before putting on my favorite set of black underwear. And it ended with me spotting you at the self-checkout at Tesco Express on a late Sunday morning, flour, eggs and milk in your basket, ready to make your famous pancakes, and me remembering I need to buy a new kitchen scale. Merci für Lauschterin und viel Spaß Channel von der Literatur. Adi!